Welcome to the Epigee Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in the Epigee PBX. To begin, click on the Telephony tab on the left-hand side of the screen, then click on VoIP Carrier. Keep the VoIP Carrier setting on Manual. Type in Voxtelesys in the description field. Click on Next. From here, we'll be able to configure the common settings. In the account name, password, and SIP server fields, enter the information provided by Voxtelesys. In the SIP server port field, enter the port number that's set for your SIP. Make sure that the Use RTP proxy option is turned on. In the advanced settings, type in the account name in the authentication username field. Click on Next when you're finished. From here, we'll set up the access code rules. If you select the By Prefix option, enter 1 as the prefix. If you select the By Pattern option, type in the X character 10 times. This will match calls with 10 digits. Enter the emergency code for your area. In the US, the emergency code is 911. Set the Route Incoming Calls to field to 00 if you want to route incoming calls to the default auto attendant. You could alternatively enter a specific extension if you'd like. Click on Next, then verify your configuration. Click on Finish when you're done. Your Voxtelesys SIP trunk has now been added to the Epigee PBX. Next, we'll assign your DID number to an extension. Click on the Extensions tab. Click on the Extensions setting. Under Extensions Management, click on the Admin Settings icon next to the extension you wish to add a DID number. Click on the SIP Settings tab. Type in the DID number in the username/DID number field. Click on Save when you're finished. You can click on Go Back to verify your changes. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in the Epigee PBX. Check back for more videos on Epigee, as well as other helpful guides.